Hello everyone, on the second day of my video, we will learn 5 words especially from Mr. Shashi Tharoor's vocabulary. So, let's begin with the first word, that is capricious. It is an adjective, which means given to sudden and unaccountable changes of mood or behavior. Sentence: by nature, the human mind is highly capricious and hence it is unpredictable. The second word is lifelike. It is an adjective, which means very similar to the person or thing represented, realistic, true to life, etc. Sentence: Mr. John's sketching of running leopard seems lifelike leopard. The third word is mutable. It is an adjective, which means liable to change, fluctuating, etc. Sentence: the weather in equatorial region is highly mutable. The fourth word is indictment. It is a noun, which means a set of written criminal charges issued against a party. Sentence: based on the indictment, which was prepared after proper investigation, judge awarded 7 years imprisonment to the offender. The fifth word is chiromancer. It is a noun, which means fortune teller who predicts your future by the lines of your palm, palmist. Sentence: in the present world, it is really difficult to find the genuine and knowledgeable chiromancer.
Hey guys, this is all for today. Go and watch it again and again, so that you can remember all the words by watching it. And yes, do not forget to share with your friends and relatives so that they can also enrich their vocabulary. One thing more, to know such interesting words with interesting illustration, don't forget to subscribe our channel, as now every day you will get 5 words to learn here.